Hello everyone. In this video, we will see multiplication of fractions. Rule is multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators, and simplify if required. Okay. Means here are some three examples. I will take first one 1 by 2 into 3 by 4. In multiplication and division, there is no need of LCM. Like in addition and subtraction, here no need of LCM. Directly you can multiply numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. 3 1s are 3, 2 4s are 8, which gives us 3 by 8. And here is another method, cross simplification. Means while multiplying, if any of the numbers are getting cancelled, you have to simplify them. Like let me take one example, 8 by 9 into 3 by 4. Here you can see these two are non-cancellable, right? Because having HCF as 1. Here also both the HCF are 1. But if you multiply, it will become 8 into 3 divided by 9 into 4, right? So here we can cancel here. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So final answer is 2 into 1 2, 3 into 1 3. So 2 by 3 is the answer. Like that you can cancel here, means cross cancel. Like this you can cancel. Otherwise, if given fraction only, if it is not in the simplified form, you can simplify then multiply. Here second example, 2 by 3 into 5 by 6. Means 2 5s are 10, 3 6s are 18. But here 2 and 6 can cancel, right? 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Means it can be also 5 into 1. 5 1s are 5, 3 3s are 9. Here also you will get the same fraction only. 2 5s are 10, 2 9s are 5 by 9, 5 by 9. Means if it is not in the simplified form, you can simplify it. Means making it to simplified form. Third one, 4 by 5 into 10 by 12. 4 by 5 into 10 by 12. Here 4 5 no, we cannot cancel. 10 12 we can, but still 4 12 5 10 both can cancel, right? 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So 2 by 3 is the answer. Here are some other three examples. 6 by 7 into 14 by 15. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 6 2s are 12 divided by 15. Means if how can we know that is it simplified or not? Like, does these two numbers have HCF as 1? No, HCF is not 1. You can check using HCF method. These can be cancelled by 3, 3 4s are 3 5s are 4 by 5. Is it the simplified form? Yes, because HCF of 4 comma 5 is 1. If the HCF is 1, then it is in the simplified form. What about 8 by 9 into 3 by 4? 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 2 into 1 2, 3 into 1 2, 3, 2 by 3, simplified form. What about 15 by 16 into 8 by 25? 8 1s are 8 2s are 5 3s are 5 5s are, which gives us 3 1s are 3, 2 5s are 10. Is it simplified form? Yes, because HCF of 3 and 10 is 1. So here are some practice questions. Please try to solve and let me know the answers in the comment section. We'll see in next video. Thank you.